Hey tech enthusiasts, got 2 minutes? Perfect! Today I'm showing you how to turn your smartphone into a TV remote. It's super quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your TV is a smart TV. If it's not, this hack won't work. Ready? Great. Step 1. Download a remote control app. There are tons of options out there, but my top picks are Google Home, Anymote, and Peel Smart Remote. Head to the App Store or Google Play and grab one of these. Step 2. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial. Without the same network, your phone can't communicate with your TV. Step 3. Open your chosen remote app. Let's use Google Home for this example. Once you open the app, it should detect your TV if you're on the same network. Tap on your TV's name to connect. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through a simple setup process. This might involve entering a code displayed on your TV screen into the app. Step 5. Voila! Your phone is now a TV remote. You can change channels, adjust the volume, and even use voice commands if your app supports it. Super cool, right? Bonus tip. If your TV supports it, you can also cast videos, photos, or even mirror your entire phone screen using the same apps. Just look for the cast icon and tap away. And there you have it. In just 2 minutes, you turned your smartphone into a powerful TV remote. Handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.